Hi, Bev, BC Creativity. Today's tutorial is heat embossing. With the Versamarker, you are going to coat your stamp. It's a very sticky substance. I've never put too much on yet. You then apply that to your card or layout, whichever you are working with. I also have a regular stamp, which I'm going to do the Versamark also. This one I'm going to apply up in the corner. You then take your powder tray, and this is a resin bag which helps the static from affecting the powder that you're going to be working with. One of my favorites is the Ranger embossing powder. This color is copper, which is one of my faves. You then gently sprinkle the embossing powder where you stamped. And you can never use too much because you will be shaking it off into the tray. Now I missed a section in the center there, but I'm not going to worry because I am putting my image on top of a portion of that section. I'm going to move the tray over so that while we're heating this, that we don't spray all the powder. The heat gun is just an embossing heating tool. You let it warm for just a second. It does get very warm, so you don't want your hand holding the piece you're trying to emboss too close to where you're heating it. As you're heating, you will notice that it becomes slightly raised and bumpy. Depending what color you're using, it will also become shiny. There definitely is a dull finish versus a sparkle finish, so you can tell whether you have heated it properly or not. This is a very large section. I'm going to jump on over to a heavier section here so you can hopefully see. It's definitely changing and bubbling, which shows you that you did it correctly. Leaves a fabulous background for any kind of card or section of a layout. Sometimes you just don't want everything paper all the time. I'm going to flip this over so we can do this other section of the flower portion that I did. I'm going to tip it. I'm not sure exactly how that viewing is, but you can see it's definitely starting to pop now. The heater definitely does get stronger once it's been on a certain length of time. This isn't totally finished. I will finish in a few minutes, but I'm hoping that you can see the difference in the shiny section and the duller. I will do that just a bit more. The last thing you have to do then is to empty your tray. You take the little end out, and this is how you preserve your extra powder. Now I use a brush. It comes in handy because, like I said, it has got static, and you just gently put it back into the container. Using the resin bag almost every time definitely helps from the static problem that is created. This is Bev, BC Creativity with heat embossing. Hope you enjoyed it today and have a great day. Thank you.